Hello students. So we begin with My Last Duchess, a brilliant poem by Robert Browning. Before starting this poem, I will tell you a brief sketch or the historical background of this poem. This poem is regarded as the finest examples of dramatic monologue poetry. It first appeared in 1842, and this poem is written in 28 rhyming couplets in iambic pentameter. There is no end stop in the lines, and the poem is preceded by, it is introduced by Duke of Ferrara. Duke of Ferrara is the main figure, main character of this poem, and though this poem is written in dramatic monologue. Now, what is dramatic monologue? It's a one-way conversation. It's a one-way conversation. The speaker speaks to a silent listener. Though we feel the presence of the listener, but he remains inactive. He does not participate in conversation, and the speaker continuously talks with the listener. So here the speaker is Duke of Ferrara, and whose name is Alfonso. So this is a story that happened during 16th century, a live story, a real story, and this story is about the Duke of Ferrara and his ex-wife Lucrezia, who is the last duchess in this poem. So the last duchess is Lucrezia, the ex-wife, the first wife of Duke of Ferrara. So this Duke of Ferrara, Alfonso, married at the age of 25 to Lucrezia, who was at the age of 14 years at that time. And she was not well educated. She was quite innocent. And the speaker, Duke of Ferrara, he was very possessive, in fact very obsessive and selfish and a greedy man. He did not like the ways, the manners, the innocence of his wife Lucrezia, and he brutally gave orders of her murder. So he murdered his wife Lucrezia, and he revealed this past life to an envoy, an ambassador who came up there to meet Duke of Ferrara with a marriage proposal. And Duke of Ferrara, who was going to remarry again, so that envoy brought a proposal of remarry, and then Duke of Ferrara revealed his past life, what happened with him and his wife, how he murdered brutally, and all these things are dramatically picturized in this beautiful poem, My Last Duchess.